Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's discuss collective noun. Collective noun. Collective nouns are words. Words for what purpose? Words for groups. Which group? Group of people, groups of animals, or things. When we have group of people, group of things, or group of animals, in order to show them in a group collectively, we use collective noun. Example: family, crew, class, audience, gang, band, team, group. Normally collective noun used as singular, but somehow there are some rules in order to use them in a plural way. Somehow normally these are used in a singular way. Family. That's why you see indefinite article here. A family, a crew, a class, an audience, a gang, a band, a team, a group. More collective nouns. So try to memorize these. A bunch of keys, a class of pupils, students, a collection of books, a deck of cards, a fleet of ships, a flock of sheep, a gang of robbers, a herd of cattle, a litter of cubs, a pod of whales, a pride of lions, a set of stamps, a swarm of bees, a troop of actors. That's all. Thank you.